Hi, welcome back to the module array. Here is the challenge 6. Try to write a C program to find the maximum of given set of elements using one-dimensional array. With the same concept, you can find out the minimum also. So let me explain the logic in short. First, declare an array and initialize some values. You can even take the values from the keyboard using scanf statement. Then first of all, consider the 0th element as the maximum element and then compare that element with the rest of the elements of the array. If any other element is greater than this max variable, then that element will be the maximums. In the same way, you have to continue this procedure of comparing and initializing. At the last, you will get the maximum variable, then you can print that variable. Similar logic you can use to find the minimum of the given set. Here in the same way, you have to initialize the first element to a variable minimum, then you have to compare from the second element. If the second element is less than the min variable, then the second element will be minimum. You have to repeat this procedure till the last element. Finally, you will get the minimum element, then you have to print it. So try it. I will be providing the solution for this program. In the next video, I will be describing about the two-dimensional arrays. So keep learning, keep coding. See you in the next video.